This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Custom fields are a great way for you to capture extra data for your business that isn't already included in QuickBooks. You can add them to invoices, sales receipts, refund receipts, credit memos, and purchase orders to capture whatever information you want. As an example, let's go over how to add a custom field that captures the sales rep responsible for a sale, and then how to run a report to find the total sales for each rep. Note that this feature is available in QuickBooks Online Plus, Essentials, or Advanced. However, if you have QuickBooks Online Advanced, the feature is more robust. The process is different, and you should watch this other video here. To start, select Settings, and then Custom Fields. And finally, Add Custom Field. First, enter a label for the new field. Just call it whatever you're trying to track. Then choose whether you want the field to appear on all sales forms. If you have QuickBooks Online Plus, you can add your custom field to purchase orders too. Then decide whether or not you want the information in the field to appear on printed or emailed forms. And save the custom field. This is where you track your custom fields and where they appear. A check mark means the custom field is available on that form, and a printer means the field appears on the form when you print or email it. Once the custom field is set up, just record transactions like you normally would, and then enter the new data in the custom field. After recording the information a few times on transactions, QuickBooks lets you filter information on reports, or reorder your reports using the new data. Let's build a report that shows the sales for each sales rep. Start with a normal sales report, like a sales by customer detail report. Right now, this report shows every line of every sales transaction in the report's date range, and everything is totaled by the customer. But select the Group By drop-down menu, and you can organize the report using your custom sales rep field. Now the report shows the company's sales organized and totaled by sales rep. You can even save the customization if you want to run this report again later. Now you can set up custom fields to track anything that's important for your business.